retards. It's not a strobe light.
You're a retard. Oh my God!
What are you doing today?
KUR HD2 Carpenter, 242BL Glenwood Springs, 96 points in the FM. But just call us
Yeah, we're gonna put it back on Rowdy later. We gotta figure out where the hole is. Get everything off the boat. Theo? Taking apart our boat.
Alright, we found a hole. Let's the man out of that.
On our way to the wave, I have one Emmy shoe. I cannot find the other Emmy shoe anywhere. Emmy shoe's totally missing. We're going shoeless. We're just going to the wave where there's water. So really, who cares if there is shoes or no shoes?
Mommy,
What are you doing?
we are doing jumping up. Can you help me find a
How is that cookie?
soda?
Is it like your 1800th cookie? Chronicling Dally's first river trip. Here we go on his kayak. Yay, Dally! Big Daddy. That's Dally right behind him. Nice Eddie! Woohoo!
Gold in the eddy, but I didn't get a call that one. Boy, failed.
Did you hit any rapids or anything?
And one time I did my roll like that and I didn't make it and that team messed me up. Now we rolled in this huge rapid.
Did you roll or flip or anything?
I didn't think that all run again.
Do you like kayaking, Dally? Yeah.
This one.
Oh, you poor thing. Little river princess.
Daddy, you want a boogie board?
I can't call you a river rat.
Daddy, you want a...
Maddie, you crazy. Teamwork. Fun day, Diamond. Going home to... Oh, the park's closed. It closes, right? Park's closed. Going home to upload this video, and I'm also going to put Kellogg's show all over my truck. So you Glenwood people, look for it. Honk a couple times when you see me. Hang out your window, scream, yell, lift your shirts, whatever. You know, let's do like a Mardi Gras thing later. Hey, hey, not allowed.